Alright guys, part 2. Still here in Wisconsin at the Automotive Museum. They might be interviewing me. So yeah, we got the trophy out on the cart, all that. So yeah. There's Joey, there's my dad. So yeah, we're not as active as the last video. I am about to start I'm probably gonna get interviewed here soon. Maybe, I don't know. But yeah. And we are getting ready. Who's there? That's the guy I'm going to be interviewing at the track. April 1st or April 2nd. This is one of his carts. This is another one of his carts right here. It's pretty nice, all polished up. So yeah, we got the helmet down there, we got the trophy. I got a water right here on the gas pedal. Yeah, we got a camo grip steering wheel. The camo grip Micron 5. American flag stickers. Thank you to Retool and Paul Martial Arts and Rick Stratton, technically, for being my sponsors. Rick Stratton is my sponsor of my motor type. Thanks to Margay Racing. They are my racing. So, we got Hoosier tires on here, but we're probably going to run MGs during the season. This is my Ignite K2 trophy. Not trophy, my Ignite Case 2 car. I don't have any other carts, but I had an older cart. We called it duct tape. No. We're getting interviewed.
Train exhibit.
This is Jonathan. He's from my racetrack. Jonathan, say hi to the video.
Hi.
Hey, Jonathan, you want to get interviewed?
No. Fine.
Okay, how long have you been racing?
1 year.
And you've been racing indoor, right?
Both.
Alright, how many wins do you have?
I think.
You got one outdoor win.
No, more than that.
Sorry.
More than that.
You got
5 at Road America, 2 at Badger, 7.
and indoor wins?
6. 6 out of 12.
How many championships wins do you have?
2.
Both indoor, I'm assuming?
No, 1 indoor, 1 outdoor.
Oh, that's right. You won at Road America. Yeah.
I won 5 of 9 races at Road America.
What's your home track, even though I know the answer just for the video?
What?
What is your home track?
Autobahn.
How many wins do you hope to get this season?
Want to get?
Yeah.
I don't know. However many races I'm going to race, I guess.
Alright. You're going to be racing at night with me here.
So who's the one here? You?
Yeah. I'm the driver here.
And you even got a trophy? Wow.
Yep.
So you run down at Dousman or where?
Yeah, I run on Dousman.
I drove down there once with a box stock heavy brakes, flathead brakes. Well, good luck.
Thank you. So yeah, that's how like that.
On my cart too, the first race we grenaded in. So I did. What?
Yeah, we don't have the motor on there yet. Jonathan, are you excited for the season?
Obviously.
Jonathan, do you think you're gonna win?
What? When what? Yes.
He thinks he's gonna win. That's Lewis.
Take him off and rack him up or hit the curbing.
Sorry, that was
This is
blurry.
a little bit more. It's smooth curbing.
I'm coming.
Alright. So, yeah, I'm gonna start two. It's probably not gonna be as long as the last one. I got most of it in the last one. There's one other driver from Badger who came without his car, but he already left. There's Logan. Logan, have I interviewed you yet? Have I interviewed you? Oh no. Comment down below if I get a comment. No. If I get, go watch the first video. Look through all the interviews. Comment down below if I already interviewed him. If not, I'll interview him at the track with Lewis. So yeah,
Last year.
That's the other one too, the streeter one.
Jonathan again.
2 or 3.
Jonathan. Just Jonathan. That's Evan.
What's up?
And that's.
He's getting
I don't know your name. Otherwise
Nick
it would.
Sobiak.
Nick Sobiak.
Alright.
Now you know me. Now you know me.
Yeah, now I know
He's a
him.
big race bricks guy. It's the race bricks guy. And maybe a race kid this year.
You guys mind if I interview you?
Yeah, go ahead.
How long have you guys been racing?
We'll go down the road here.
I've been racing for, I think, almost 14 years now.
14 years.
13, 14.
I've been racing probably about 10 years now.
Alright, how many wins do you have?
How many wins? That I don't know. I don't know how many wins.
Then how much, if you don't know, then just how many wins do you average a season, basically?
How many do I think I have? Or,
No, how much do you average a season?
oh, average? 10, 12, something like that.
Yeah. I don't know my total wins either. I would say around 10 or 12 wins a year too.
How many racing cars have you gone through?
Racing cars?
Yeah, like go-karts to sprint car to quarter midgets or whatever.
I mainly just do go-karting, but I run all types of different go-karts.
Too many count?
Too many to count.
I've probably gone through 15 go-karts.
And
Maybe
you're driving
And yeah,
That one?
I used to drive that, and now I race Aston Martins. And yeah.
How many wins do you guys think you're gonna get this season?
Hoping to get a few, hopefully 5 or 6, but
Yeah, hopefully we can. Hopefully we start winning in the car stuff, but not sure how much go-kart racing.
I'll give you a schedule.
Where do you guys want to end up? Like F1, Indy?
that I don't know. That's a good question.
I want to race in the Rolex 24-hour race at Daytona. That'd be pretty cool.
This is the Badger Park.
The one where you don't stop for 24 hours, only pits?
Yep.
Alright, I'm gonna interview Goggles at the track, so go watch that video. It comes out April 1st, 2nd, or 3rd.
Is this on YouTube?
Yeah, it's gonna go to YouTube.
Alright, awesome.
Alright,
That's my son right there. So.
Let me interview you.
Listen,
interview me? Okay.
Who is your favorite driver?
Martin Truex Jr. NASCAR Cup Series.
What?
Martin Truex Jr. in
No. What series do you want to be in when you go on?
NASCAR Cup Series.
What race do you want to be in NASCAR?
Bristol.
How old is he? So he would run a sprint.
What
9 or
series are you the most excited for this year?
which are basically
Huh?
what
What
the
series
Raiders
are you the most
have,
excited for
those
this year?
two carts
Cadet, because all the good drivers left and I'm one of the only
Like
ones.
what track?
is another cadet
Badger
chassis.
Kart
That
Club.
would be a cart for them. This is a flyer to kind of describe
Favorite corner in all of
the club.
karting?
Favorite corner is the boot at Badger.
mention some
Favorite
of their,
track,
you know,
Matt?
how to get there.
Yeah.
Obviously, if you know how to get there. Whatever.
Excited for the repave?
Different stuff on.
Yeah,
just a little brochure
not as
thing.
much though, because it's gonna be harder
And,
this
practicing
season.
and stuff like that. And, you know, we
Inside or outside?
On the turns, inside.
yeah, they're doing it
no
right
passing.
now.
Oh,
I mean, Dick right now, and then they're gonna go
I prefer to pass on the outside for the straightaway, and I get more speed out coming out of the turn.
We're gonna try that this year and see how close we can right by the vehicles, especially for the kids.
How many wins do you want to get this year?
I'm hoping to like,
We'll see how it goes.
I'd say about 5.
Yeah, no,
Alright.
just doing Dick and Tommy Cobra right
You
now.
guys want to see me interview him?
Derek's next.
Joey.
Jason, they're all
Then
in
comment
that
down
area right
below.
there. So,
And I'll interview him. So yeah, this is very, very good racing meetup. I don't know why you're here if you don't have your go-kart here. Sir, why is your go-kart not here?
Because it's not ready. No motor, nothing's on it.
I don't have a motor.
No, none of my side pods are on.
Oh, none of these.
Steam isn't on either.
Your plastics aren't on?
Not yet.
Dang.
Putting them on like
You better hurry up because we only got, I think it's like 21 more days. Yeah, 21. We got 21 more days, so better hurry up. Yeah. Hello. I've already interviewed you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah, this is part 2. So yeah. Are you the driver of the stock car?
No, I don't know where he's at. He's around here somewhere. I'll get him. Oh,
Yeah.
where is he?
'Cause I've been trying to interview him for a while. Yeah. All right, guys.
Oh,
We're,
there he is. Avery!
okay. Trying to get an interview here. He's the one who drives it.
Yeah.
All right. Interview. How long have you been racing?
8 years.
How many wins do you have?
5.
How many championship wins?
One Wisconsin State Championship.
Where do you want to end up?
Late models.
Late models, stock car?
Yep.
What kind of stock car is that?
That's a Monte Carlo.
All right. Got anything that you want to say about your sponsors?
I'd just like to say thank you to all of them. It wouldn't be possible without them.
All right, I'm gonna go show them your sponsors now. All right, let's see. There is a sponsor there. Hold on 1 second. I need to get his sponsors out. All right, now one more question.
Opinion on Kendra.
She's not very clean.
She sucks?
She got
likes
kicked out of Badger.
No one likes her.
I didn't like her.
No one does.
No offense, Kendra, if you're watching, but I didn't like you.
The one dislike?
Wait, thoughts on Kendra?
Stupid. Dirty. Bad. Horrible. Sucks.
She literally lied about it. So she had a dream, right? And she said, remember that dream that she was that thing where she was talking about us jumping up, where I jumped off a
We
swing?
gave her mental health, so she had to go to the hospital.
Yeah, that was in her dream. I hope she knows that. Yeah, Kendra, if you don't know, that was in your dream. Yeah, there's that cart's gonna be racing at Badger this year.
Okay.
I know, but it's gonna drive at Badger. He's gonna drive it at Badger.
Are they gonna remake this batch? Are they an oval?
We already have it, the mini oval.
Is that
I swear if that got repaid, that would be amazing. Oh, we could do our e-bike races very well. With a repaid,
too dangerous?
with a repaid thing? Did they tell us that it was too dangerous to where we can't do it? That's sad. If you put that in your mouth.
Ugh.
Whack. You realize that's just chocolate, right?
I know.
Throw it away. If you put it back in your
I
mouth.
might actually put a simulator in my car, in my trailer.
If you eat that, the whole world will know.
For the likes.
Yeah, like the video. Like, if we get to, here, put it all the way in your mouth and everybody will like.
Sour.
Alright guys, you gotta like, because he just put that in his mouth and you saw it fell on dirty oil ground. Like, this is a mechanics. Oh, that's the first go-kart. This is the first ever go-kart here. It didn't have a brake system. Now where are you gonna throw that away?
I don't know.
Just drop it. Just drop it, drop it.
I will when these people go.
No.
No, when people
Drop
will
it down the middle. Drop it right there.
Well, give me a sec.
Just drop it down to the checker flag.
I will. Ready?
Down. No. Drop it.
1.
Okay, let's get out of here. Oh.
You just don't know about it.
Alright. Yo. No, I need to wait for my interview, bro. I don't know if they're interviewing me or not. That's the whole reason I started this part 2, sorry. We're gonna go downstairs and look at it shatter. Bro, what if it's like stuck to the Oh my! It completely shattered.
Someone new.
Oh my gosh. Bro, it came all the way off the stick. All of it came off the stick. Look, there's the stick. And this is where most of it is.
The wreckage.
Bro, it got over. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad if somebody got hit. No smoking behind this
Outside. Is
fence.
that something? Oh, I just stepped on a piece.
Is this a typewriter? What the heck? Okay. Oh, look at that! Oh my! That's a big piece. It's a big
That looks
piece.
sharp. Wait, how do we?
Bro, that's a big piece.
That looks like an emerald.
It's not an emerald, bro. You can see the chocolate filling still. Bro, why are you touching it?
Because.
Bro, oh my gosh. Yo, let's go back upstairs because I need to get my interview. Oh my gosh, I should have. Oh, I wish I could have slow-moed that.
Stop the video and then more slow.
No, I can't. Because if I stop the video, then I can't edit it.
Him telling me to watch it.
When would that be out? Oh wait, let me see.
Go.
Epic paint scheme reveal.
They've already seen my paint scheme. Alright, one last thing. The steering wheel. Get the steering wheel. Go up right here and get the steering wheel. All right. So, Joe, are they supposed to be interviewing me? Or
They're working on some of the guys right now. We're gonna get to it.
all right.
Your dad, I think, did go get some food.
I don't know.
What? Oh yeah, they will. They're pretty soon. Pretty soon we'll get them.
You want to say anything to the YouTube video?
Hey, buddy, are you having fun?
Yeah.
Good. You too.
Yo,
Jonathan's having
if-
fun too.
If we get 10 likes on the pinned comment, then I'll interview him.
All right.
I'm already interviewing Lewis. Why not his mechanic?
Yeah. Thanks.
I'll probably still do it no matter what. What? I am going to interview Lewis, and I'm going to interview his dad if it's interviewing you. Oh, the somebody. I'm going to need you to film for me though. If they come over here to interview, I'm going to need you to film for me. I got a drink, so you can go get one. Here, take the camera. Take the camera. Nothing exciting's gonna happen. No drinks.
The coolers are gone. Let's go in the creepy
Let me see
room.
it. Okay, you're still filming.
Let's go to the creepy room.
Creepy room? After my interview.
I'm
Where we go? Okay. Here, let me take the camera. Alright guys, we're gonna go to the creepy locomotive room after I get my interview. Jonathan here is gonna be my filmer. Guys, we actually did hire a cameraman, but he's not here today. He's sick. Yeah, Jonathan's gonna be our cameraman. Jonathan's my cameraman right now.
Cameraman?
Yeah.
Who's interviewing you?
I don't know why, but I
That
kind of
guy?
want to
That guy?
interview some like mechanic. Yo, let's go show them the NASCAR. Alright guys, this is one of the NASCARs on display. It's a Hooters #7 restaurant. Champion Winston 500 winner, I think, which is also known as Daytona now. Gatorade sponsored them. This is where he sat. He would drive it like this, you know. Original fire extinguisher. Here, show him the original fire extinguisher. No, that's batteries. Bro, if you drop it, I swear. If you drop it, you're fired. Alright, there's a fire extinguisher right in there. There's batteries, original stock car frame.
Getting in the car.
They got the mirror too. Ran in it. Oh, they got the gear shift too.
pedals.
Show them the gear shift as well. That gear shift right there. The gear shift. Yeah, it's original. Original everything. Oh, look. Show them the gas tank. They would put gas in right here. Wait, hold on. I need to show you something. It's a classic.
Yeah.
Show. It's a classic. It's a very classic. All right.
Let's go to the locomotive.
Let's show them some of the other NASCARs. there's tires that we need to show them. They got tires in the NASCAR exhibit. No, after I get my
I thought so.
Oh yeah, they got this sprint car on display. The board of however many words that is. 4-time champ, a bunch of 4 times, a 3-time, a 2-time, and over 220 time, and over. Wow, they got a lot in this car. And as you can see, it's signed. Oh, all right, guys, that's gonna be the video. We'll see you in part 3.